We're in the middle of an information revolution.
Never before has business relied on their engineering teams more than they do today.
We want to move from visualization to actually helping businesses gain insight into where they are today, where they're going to be tomorrow, so they can focus on other things.
LogicMonitor helps businesses get more proactive about how they manage the technology that runs their business.
Not just fixing what happened, but preventing anything from happening in the first place.
Understanding what's going to happen ahead of time is so critical.
At LogicMonitor, we build the most extensible platform ever. Within minutes, customers can monitor their entire infrastructure comprehensively, from on-premises to the cloud.
At LogicMonitor, we expand what's possible for businesses by advancing the technology behind them.
We can make sure that every aspect of our product that could help them grow and be successful in their business is being utilized effectively and efficiently.
Seeing the data is one thing, but allowing that data to provide real insight into how they can perform better or service their customers more efficiently, all of those things enable them to be more successful.
We're able to filter out what doesn't matter so you can focus on what truly matters, and that makes a huge difference.
A large-scale industry leader in payment systems, they say that LogicMonitor helps us keep our network 99.9999% alive.
Every day, people are finding new use cases for LogicMonitor. One of the most recent ones is we're now using it to monitor our golf handicaps. That's not something that you would think of from a technology platform.
We help save lives. Our technology helps monitor major machinery in healthcare institutions.
There really is no limit to the capabilities that a product platform like a LogicMonitor has.
LogicMonitor's customers are the best customers because they understand the value of monitoring. We are there to be their partner through their journey.
LogicMonitor, turning sight into vision.
I'm passionate about monitoring. I love monitoring, and we are going to change the industry with monitoring. That's all.